Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Rebuilds NI back with a new video. Yes, I'm back after 3 or 4 years. Don't ask where I've been a long journey, but we'll get talked about it in some other video. So today we're going to start off with this transporter. This transporter I bought off a damaged auction site. Now it is damaged down this side. As you can see, I didn't actually realise it had been on its side. So this side is severely damaged. Now this is a category S, which means structural damage. It is insurance write-off. I know you're probably thinking, why would it be category S with damage like that? Well, the truth is, the back of it is far worse. Now, the back of it you can't see as bad because I've already fitted these two new doors on myself off camera, and as you can see, no, the light's pretty bad, but the back panel is rightly damaged in. But today, in this video, we're going to be swapping out this front door. As you see, the glass is smashed. So I can't actually park it outside or anything, or the inside it'll get ruined. So we're going to replace this door and glass as the frame is pretty twisted. So we've got a second hand door there, second hand new. So we'll get that on, but we'll talk through on how to get this door off and stuff. I also bought a sliding door. Now you're probably wondering, why did you get a sliding door? It's not that bad, you could fix it. But the window has all these big scrapes on it, and it's going to be my daily car as it's a crew cab. You know, so it's got 6 seats, pretty spacked out pretty well inside, LED lights, carpeted and stuff. So enough of my talking, we'll get into stripping this door and we'll talk you through it. So to remove this door card, you want to pop this wee trim off here on your inner support, as I call that the Jesus handle. That's to hold on, you know, if your driver's speeding. You also got a 25 thorax down that hole. I know it's probably hard to see, that there comes out, and 225 thoraxes at the bottom of the door. Now your wee handle here for this, also you just push that up and that clips off. So we'll get these unscrewed and clip the door card off.
Was it all in vain? My world revolved around you, now it's trapped inside the pain. Maybe I should stay in the dark after you had it to replace you.
So as you can see from the time lapse, I basically got a bit carried away, stripped the whole door, or the guts is completely out of the door. Basically we held that on, we 10 mils right round of it, easy. But the only tricky bit about it that I thought was getting this wiring loom out. I thought I could maybe disconnect it down in here and pull it out through, but that wasn't going to work. So what I did was just disconnected the wiring loom out of the whole door and just pulled it out through there. Now that's not going to matter because I need to build it all into a new door anyway. So now we're going to go on ahead and remove this door, because obviously when I get this new door on, get the glass in, just to make sure no weather gets damaged inside this car. And to remove this door, all you need is these 13mm there and a 13mm there. Now as you can see, there's a bit of post damage, which obviously you can expect if the car has been on side. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this door removed. Hopefully it's pretty light, as I've no one really here to give me a lift. So let's get on. So there you go, we'll have the door basically on. The lines actually aren't too bad. I thought it was going to be worse. I thought maybe this top hinge post might be lying on a wee bit. Now I still do think that, as if you look down that gap, lines up pretty well. But you get to the bottom, and this sits away out past the door. There, just starts coming out about there. So, you know, is it the wing that's damaged that's lying in, or is it the post lying at the top that's making the bottom lie out? So we don't know that yet, but obviously we're not fixing this wing, we're not fixing the bonnet or the bumper or anything, because I'm going to put the new T6 front end in it just to make it look basically fresher and newer than what it is, because it is only 2011. So now we're going to get on to the next stage and put everything back into this door, basically do the same way we took it out, but only put a new glass in and put the new wing mirror and stuff on, and just make sure it is closing and opening fine. And basically that's it. Now obviously we will be fixing in here at some point and respraying all this, but I just want to make sure this door's built, and now I can basically get inside the van, as we'll be sitting about waiting on parts. So basically I'll just show you on our time lapse showing you me building everything inside the door, and let's get into it.
All those crazy thoughts are going through my mind. A part of me I can't escape. Our love was so sublime. It doesn't make no sense if you're not here again. The only one who's gone home be left for me to say. Come back to me.
So that's the door basically completely built up, mirror on, glass on, put the handle on. Now there is something wrong with some hinges because as you can see, now obviously the back door is damaged. The hinge is rightly out there and it's rightly in there. So we will have to take a look at them hinges some stage tomorrow probably. I'll maybe order new hinges, but it's not bad, it's snappy, like it doesn't really close, like that there's it basically closed. But I suspect that top hinge is laying in, as you can see. So I think all that might need brought back out and that will help the bottom. So at least that's it's all, that nothing can get inside the van. It'll stay pretty dry if I need to put it outside. But I'm going to tell you what the plans is with the van, because this is probably going to be the end of the video. The plan is we're going to put a T6 front end in, so we're going to put the bumper on and the lip kit for the bumper. We're going to get 2 new wings, we're going to get a bonnet, because that's what you need to do the T6 conversion, and the headlights. Pretty expensive, but that's the way I want to do it. We're obviously going to change the wheels. We're going to put probably 20 inches on her. Don't know what wheels yet, but it might come to V-Mans or J37s, don't know yet. But obviously we're going to have to fix up this post. Now we are giving her basically a full respray bar the roof, but this is what I want you guys to decide. Do you want the roof gloss black along with the mirrors and plus bits of the front bumper? Now we're going to do a T6 back bumper, have it and all sitting outside the shade. We've obviously a new sliding door. We're obviously going to fix that quarter panel because it's not that bad. I know it looks bad, and obviously we're going to pull the back end. But I don't know, can you just put the T6 taillights straight into the T5 transporters? If you can, obviously they're getting swapped out as well. And another question is the electric windows. So if any of you guys are transporter people or anything, basically we'll have just windy windows to minute, but I'd love to put the electric windows on it. Now what way would you go about that? Would you have to change this whole loom and put fuses and stuff on it? But if any of you guys know, please leave down in the comments below, it'd be much appreciated. So yeah, or do we just change the colour of the van completely? As you can see, the driver's side's actually not too bad. The driver's side's pretty clean, you know. You could have left the driver's side to be honest with you, you know, but there's a couple of wee dinges just down low. So I'll say it while I'm at it, I'll fix them and paint, basically paint the whole van. So there guys, this is going to be the video. Now obviously we didn't get that much done when we got that door built and all, but that was the main objective, showing you the van, showing you this will be another thing that we are starting again. We're going to start rebuilding these salvage cars. I have another car sitting down the bottom. It's going to be a Mini, an R56 Mini. Basically it's a front end, so we'll be rebuilding it too. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure you do like the video and comment down below, and if you're new, obviously subscribe and tell me what you think of the van. Is it the cheapest one we've bought? Now the price we paid for this van is £19.50, so that's £1,950 for 2011. Pretty high miles, there's 150k on it, but it's a crew cab. So if you guys think I've overpaid, please leave down in the comments below. Anyway guys, this rebuilds NI. Thanks for watching.